in the box?
Hi, welcome to Photography. For today's What's in the Box, we got a package from Ozzie's. So let's see what's in the box. Alright, so let's take a look at what we have in our Ozzie's box here. I'm very excited for this one. If anyone has been paying attention recently to some of my recent videos, you would have noticed my background has gone through some very big changes. So we started actually unboxing a lot of my Star Wars Funko Pop collection and actually putting them on tiered display stands and creating some little dioramas with them, a little bit more of them. So very excited. But one of the things I've been doing is trying to round out and get my final pieces for the Star Wars Rebels collection, as well as others. And one of them was the concept series that I've been really wanting to finish out. And one that's been eluding me as a grail that I wanted to get was the concept Boba Fett, number 388, which is a 2020. This is the Star Wars Celebration shared exclusive, but really wanted to get this guy. So without further ado, we're going to get some of the plastic off the case here. The hard shell. That's one of the nice thing about Ozzie is you always get it in a nice pop protector. I do enjoy that. But looking at this concept Boba Fett, looks really, really cool. I really see a lot of similarity to what we ended up getting in Star Wars Rebels with their rocket trooper, or whatever they called him, Imperial rocket trooper, which is kind of interesting because that's kind of what they eventually used the concept for this Boba Fett for. But let's get him out of the box and take an even better look at him. Really, really nice. Very nice. Really cool looking. You can see why Boba Fett was a really cool inspiration from Ralph McQuarrie. Like, look at that. That just looks so cool. So you can see a lot of what we still had as Boba Fett stayed from that original concept. But we got, kind of more the helmet, the thing sticking out, the antenna. You also have at least the start of how the eyes are going to do. And this kind of resembles more of what the Stormtrooper kind of came with. I think is kind of neat. So really neat. And knowing that this trooper was originally going to be kind of like a specialized Stormtrooper, it has a lot of the similarities. So really cool looking. Love these concept wave of Funko Pops. Really cool. Really cool. But what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put him onto the turntable so you can get a better look at him. Curious, do you have this in your collection already? Have you picked it up in the past or recently kind of grabbed him yourself, just like I did? Kind of curious. Put that in the comments below. Do you have any of the other concept series, and what are your thoughts on the concept series? Because I actually enjoy it. I love the artwork from Ralph McQuarrie, so very cool wave that we got from Funko. So anyway, if you enjoyed this kind of content today, please hit the like, definitely hit the subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode of Photography. Until then, may the force be with you.